want a marshmallow?
Say goodbye like a sandwich. Try it, you'll like it.
What you got, Julie? Yum?
I'm getting you a marshmallow, Drew. Here, Drew.
Drew. You like
Drew,
it.
do you
That's
want
marshmallow. Mmm. Whoops. You slid back, huh?
Julie says, I like it.
Is that good, Sam?
that?
Yeah.
Sam, would you like just a marshmallow? Drew, look. That's the part you like, the white part.
Yes.
You want me to cook you one that's just marshmallow?
Oh, she's pointing to chocolate.
That's the chocolate. See, that's in here too. It's right there. But if you just like this part, I'll just cook you one of these.